all right. Welcome to another video. I think we're at what? Number 6? 6 Thursdays in a row. Happy Thursday if you're watching this on the first day. If you didn't and you want to next time, it's really easy. All you got to do is subscribe, which is the red button, and then after you do that, hit the, that's right, the bell. Hit it again! And then you'll get a notification. But I am in Statesville, North Carolina, and I will be border bound. That's right, headed to Laredo. Earlier today when I was getting unloaded, I started a video about the reasons I'm leaving trucking. But you guys don't want to hear about that. Not yet, anyway. You need some context before that's even gonna be important. So I'm letting you know in this week's video what's gonna start up in number 7. I've talked about it before. I've had this list for well over a year. So this is a video in the making, and it's not gonna be one video, because I'm not going to be able to cover all 40 plus jobs in one video in the way they deserve to be discussed. Because all of our jobs, all of our stops along the way, all of the groups of people that we associate with for certain periods of time, well, they have an impact on us. We probably pick up on some good habits, some good techniques. Or maybe the opposite happens and we learn some bad ways of thinking. Several of those jobs, those companies that I work for, they don't exist anymore. Like one of them was Ryan's Steakhouse. We'll probably make it as far as Ryan's Steakhouse in next week's video, where I'm going to start a series discussing all the different jobs, careers, industries that I've been a part of prior to trucking. And we are approaching the 7-year anniversary of me getting a CDL. Yeah, that's coming later this year. But this video, it's important because I didn't really want to make it. It wasn't convenient. Didn't really want to be waiting to the last minute, the day before it's supposed to go live, to film it. And I could give you a good excuse that I've been studying for my drone test, which I have been studying for my drone test. But guys, when people say they don't have time to do something, I kind of call bullshit in my mind on that, because we all have the same amount of time. We all have 24 hours a day. Even the people who accomplished amazing things had the same amount of time as a guy that didn't do shit. Well, this week I'm not that guy, because I followed through on my commitment that I made to myself, and also all of you guys that are subscribed, got the bell notifications, or however you found this video. But guys, I think Nelly done snuck in here and got up under my bunk, because it's hot in here. Oh! But everyone, thanks a bunch for tuning in to this week's video. You can expect a new video every Thursday. Next week will be number 7. If you're liking what I'm bringing, let me know, please, by dropping a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know it's decent content, and maybe they'll share it around. My videos don't even show up on my own YouTube suggested right now, so I don't know how it's showing up on yours, but likes, thumbs up, comments, all that kind of stuff really helps out. So please show your support, help me get to 10,000 subs by Thanksgiving, and I will see all of you next week. But until then, be safe out there and keep on trucking.
Everybody going through a little something, something. Sing a little song with a guitar strum.